If you've got a small to medium garden, mine's about 200 square metres, and you're thinking about going cordless, this might be all you need. I've just tested the Ryobi 18V ONE+ lawnmower and trimmer, and I'm going to show you exactly how it performs in a real garden. So, this is the Ryobi 33cm Cordless mower with the 23cm grass trimmer, and it comes with a 4 amp battery. I've been using it in my front garden, which is just under 200 metres square, so pretty much bang on what this is designed for. First thing I noticed straight away, this thing is seriously lightweight. If you're used to a petrol mower like I am, it's a completely different experience. No pulling cords, no fuel, no cables to drag around, just press a button and you're off. Now, I won't bore you with a full unboxing and setup guide. I've actually got a separate video on that if you want to check it out, but honestly, there's not much to it. Both the mower and trimmer are pretty much ready to go out of the box. It took me around 5 minutes to get everything set up, and I was straight into mowing. Build quality feels solid as well. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. And because it's so lightweight, you really notice how easy it is to move around the garden, especially compared to the heavy petrol mower. It just makes the whole job feel quicker and less of a chore. Now, my lawn isn't perfect, it's got uneven patches and the grass can get quite thick, but honestly, this handles it really well. One tip I'd give, if you feel like it's struggling at all, just adjust the cutting height. I started a bit too low, moved it up one level, and it made a big difference. Still got a nice close cut, but it was way easier to push and cut through the grass. The only thing to keep in mind is the 33cm cutting width is smaller than a petrol mower, so it does take a little bit longer overall, but because it's so light, it doesn't actually feel more tiring. Now, battery wise, this is where a lot of people had complaints, but I managed to do the full garden on one charge. By the end, I was down to one flashing bar, so there wasn't a load left, but it got the job done. Ryobi says up to 220 square metres, and based on this, I'd say it's pretty accurate. So that's one flashing bar, doing the full 200 metres square garden, and the outer perimeter with the trimmer. Now, the trimmer really surprised me. No line breaks at all, and the auto feed system just works. No messing around trying to fix it. And being able to switch to edging mode makes a big difference for getting those clean borders. This is what actually makes your garden look properly finished. So I'll put my verdicts, my pros and cons on screen, but overall I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. For small to medium gardens, it does exactly what you need it to do. If this was a bigger cutting width, it would easily be a 10. If you've got a garden around this size and you're thinking about going cordless, this is definitely worth considering, and I have put a link in the description below where you can check it out. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and if you want more honest reviews or tips like this, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.